the very thrill of discovery, figuring out how nature works, be how a cell moves through a surface, how it changes its identity, etc. And then apply that knowledge to the care of people, particularly children. My name is Ariel Gomez. I'm the director of the Child Health Research Center and the director of a Center of Excellence in Pediatric Nephrology. I try to understand how cells know who they are, and this is very relevant for understanding disease, because cells change their identity when they are sick or when they are trying to defend the organism against a disease. When a cell doesn't know who she is, this immediately results in the potential for disease. If we were able to revert a cell to its original state, and just think cancer, for instance, or other diseases of the kidney and so forth, then we may be able to solve disease by working on what we call cell fate.